Hey guys, this is Reggie with AE Team Appliance on a repair and repairing a squeaky dryer. Just a quick tip though, as far as lubrication. This dryer had a bad pulley. Here's the other one, just squeaked a lot. And so what I used to do is put grease, but this is actually bad to use because it collects the dust and makes the pulley go bad. So what you can use is oil. And I use, you can, if you have motor oil sitting around, that's good because it takes high heat. But I use this stuff. It's a secret oil. Actually, it's canola oil, cooking oil, high temperature. And basically just dab a little bit here, pull it around the shaft, let it get real good, or you just pour a little on there too. But you don't want to make a mess. And then you just put your roller on there. Just move it up and down a little bit. And that's it. That's a quick tip. If you have a squeaky dryer on these rollers, just take them off and add cooking oil to them to give you a quiet, nice and quiet rolling rollers. This is Reggie. Don't forget to like and subscribe.